In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust Netflix settings for better video quality on your iPhone or Android device. Let's get started. Before making any changes, make sure you have a strong and speedy internet connection. Higher quality video requires more bandwidth. Now open the Netflix app, tap on your profile, and if required, enter your 4-digit PIN to access the homepage. Now tap on My Netflix at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on three-line menu icon in the top right and then go to App Settings. Tap on Cellular Data Usage and set it to Automatic. Go back, enable Wi-Fi only if you want streaming only on Wi-Fi. Finally, tap on Video Quality. Here you can choose between standard or high quality depending on what's available for your plan. Once you have updated the settings, play any video and check the quality. Remember, Netflix video resolution depends on your subscription plan. To watch in 1080p or 4K, you'll need to be on a plan that supports SD or Ultra SD, and that's how you can change video quality on Netflix. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.